In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan QR code on Google Chrome Mobile. If you've ever been out and about and needed to open a menu, join Wi-Fi, or visit a link from a poster, you don't need a separate QR app. Chrome on Android can scan QR codes quickly, either with your camera or right from a web page. I'll walk you through two simple methods and a few quick fixes if something doesn't work the first time. First, let's use Google Lens inside Chrome. Open the Chrome app on your Android phone. Tap the address bar at the top of the screen. On the right side, you should see a small Google Lens or camera icon. Tap that. Your camera will open and you're ready to scan. Point your phone at the QR code so it's centered and in focus. Hold steady for a second or two. You don't need to take a picture. Chrome will detect the code automatically and show the result. When the link appears on screen, tap it to open. If you're in a dim space or the code is glossy, try adjusting your angle to reduce glare and move a little closer or farther until it's sharp. Keeping the code well lit and filling a good portion of the frame helps Chrome recognize it faster. Now, if the QR code is already on a website or in an image you've opened in Chrome, you don't need the camera at all. Press and hold directly on the QR code image. A menu will pop up. Choose Search Image with Google Lens. Chrome will analyze the image, decode the QR, and display the result. When you see the link, tap it to open. This is especially handy for digital flyers, screenshots, or product pages where the QR is part of the page. If the image is small, you can zoom the page first so the code is clearer before you press and hold. If it doesn't work right away, here are a few quick checks. Make sure Google Lens is enabled in Chrome so the lens and search options appear. Update the Chrome app and the Google app to the latest versions. Older versions may not show the lens button or might struggle with detection. And try scanning in good lighting. Even small improvements in brightness and focus can make a big difference in speed and accuracy. That's it. Two easy ways to scan QR codes in Chrome on Android, whether you're using your camera or grabbing a code straight from a web page. Thanks for watching and happy scanning.